The Cornwall Regional Hospital is reporting a reduction in gunshot cases since the declaration of the state of emergency in St. James on January 18. However, the hospital has seen an increase in another area. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Under pressure. That's how gunshot cases left staff at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in 2017. One could only imagine, as the hospital is located in the parish of St. James, which recorded 335 murders last year, the highest of any police division in the island. But with only 31 days into the new year and a state of public emergency declared in St. James on January 18, clinical coordinator at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, Dr. Delroy Frey, says things are looking up.
During December 2017, we had 35 cases of gunshot wound that came to Cornwall Regional Hospital. Between January 1 to January 17, 21 cases was recorded. And between the 18th of January to the 29th of January, 6 cases were recorded. So as you can see from that trend, there's a marked decrease. And these 6 cases, if you remember the news, this was a funeral.
That funeral was 3 days into the state of emergency, where persons took cover as gunshots echoed outside the Quarry Full Gospel Church of God. St. James, which was plagued by murders and shootings, have since experienced calm, which Dr. Frey says workers at the hospital are pleased with. He added that the reduction in gunshot cases have improved the staff morale.
The staff is happy because it's less work for us. We can then pay attention to the more critical aspect of care to our patients.
But while gunshot cases have reduced, there's an increase in required treatment for another case seen at the hospital.
The usual motor vehicle accident and personal injuries.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.